At Adventure Kings, there's a roof rack for every body and every setup. First up, want maximum space in a slimline design? The flat rack is perfect for moving large, bulky items or longer items that overhang the front and back of your vehicle, and you'll still get into low clearance areas. And tradies, listen up. If you're always carrying lengths of timber, conduit, pipes or other long items, you need a tradie rack. With rails on both sides to make tying down easy, they're made for the job site and the campsite. And what about this for multi-purpose? Our rooftop tent racks have a front rail for storing your gear and a flat section that perfectly suits your weekender or tourer rooftop tent. Or if you just want heaps of storage capacity, the full-length rack is the one to get. With a full rail around the rack, you can stack it high with bulky items or plenty of camping gear for those big trips away. All Adventure Kings roof racks share the same high-quality features: tough black powder coating, included mounting brackets, and tie-down hooks. There's even 3/4, half-length and single cab racks available for smaller four-wheel drives and utes. So whatever your setup and whatever you want, 4-Wheel Drive Supacentre has a roof rack that's exactly what you need at an incredibly low price.